Hello students, today I am explaining you 10th class coordinate geometry. First exercise 7.1, first question, third bit. Find the distance between the pair of points minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. So what we want to find out in this distance between the pair of points. Let us solve it. Solution. Given that the 2 points minus 5 comma 7 and another point is what? Minus 1 comma 3. Let the first point coordinates are x1 y1 and second point coordinates are x2 y2. And the distance between AB, let the first point is A and second point is what? B. Now AB is equals to, so check whether x1 coordinates are equal or y1 coordinates are equal. The both are x1, x2 are not equal and y1, y2 are also not equal. That's why I am using the formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Make this is box. Now substitute AB is equals to under root of x2. x2 is 3 minus x1. x1 is minus 5. So this is the formula minus. So minus into minus is what? Plus 5 whole square plus y2. What is y2? y2 is 3 and formula minus, and y1. y1 is 7 whole square.
Go.
Now I simplify the step. And AB is equals to under root of 3 plus 5 is 8 square. 8 square plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square is equals to under root of 8 square. 8 8 is 64 and plus minus 4 whole square. Minus square is a plus, 4 square is a 16 and is equals to 64 plus 16 is what? 80. AB is equals to root 80.
Go.
Yes. Now AB is equals to this 80 can write as 16 5 is 80. And next AB is equals to this root separate to 16 and 5. Root 16 into root 5. So AB is equals to root 16 is 4 and root 5. AB, therefore AB is equals to 4 root 5 unit. The distance between AB is what? 4 root 5 unit. Yes, here we have exercise 7.1 and third question. Question number 3. Verify whether the points 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 1 are collinear or not. So before we solve the question, we want to know what are collinears. If the points are on the same line are called collinear. With this collinear point, we can't make triangle. So see, to prove whether the collinears are not, are here two types. With the distance we can prove whether they are collinears or not, or with area of triangle also we can't prove whether the given points are collinear or not. See, here I am going to find verify the points by the distance formula. So let the first point is A, where A is equals to 1 comma 5 and B is equals to 2 comma 3, second point, and C equals to minus 2 comma minus 1 is the third point. So first I am going to find distance between A, B, where A is equals to what? 1 comma 5 and B is equals to 2 comma 3. So before I am going to find the distance, I will check their coordinates. X coordinates, no, they are not equal, and Y coordinates also not equal. That's why I am here using the formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let the first point coordinates are x1, y1 and the second point coordinates are x2, y2. And these 2 points substitute in this formula. Right, AB is equals to under root of x2. What is x2? x2 is 2 minus x1. x1 is 1 whole square plus y2. y2 is 3 minus y1. y1 is 5 whole square is equals to under root of 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square is equals to under root of 1 square is a 1 plus minus 2 whole square is what? Plus 4. Minus square is plus, 2 square is a 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. AB is equals to root 5. The distance between AB is what? Root 5. Now I am going to find distance between BC, where B is equals to what? 2 comma 3 and C equals to minus 2 comma minus 1. Let the first point coordinates are x1, y1 and second point coordinates are x2, y2. Right now the distance formula between BC. Check once x1, x2, are they equal or not? No, these are not equal because x1 is a plus 2 and x2 is minus 2. And the y coordinates also not equal. It is 3 and that is what? Minus 1. So that's why I am using the distance formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Make this is as box. Then substitute now. BC equals to under root of x2. x2 is what? Minus 2. And write minus x1. x1 is 2 whole square plus y2. What is y2? Minus 1. And minus y1. y1 is 3 whole square is equals to under root of minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 whole square. Here minus square is a plus, 4 square is a 16 plus minus square is a plus, 4 square is a 16 is equals to 16 plus 16 is what? 32. So this 32 we can write it as a BC is equals to 32. This can write now 16 2s are 32 and root 16, root separate to 16 and 2, root 16 is a 4 and root 2. So the distance between BC is 4 root 2. Now I am going to find the distance between CA. Distance between CA, where C equals to minus 2 comma minus 1 and A equals to 1 comma 5. Let the first point coordinates x1, y1 and the second point coordinates x2, y2. And write the distance formula. CA is equals to, before we write the formula, check once x1 coordinates whether they are equal or not. No, these are not equal. And also check the y coordinates, as these are also not equal. That's why we can write now the formula is under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute these points in this formula. CA is equals to under root of x2. What is x2? 1 minus x1. x1 is minus 2. Already minus is there. Minus into minus plus 2 whole square plus y2. y2 is what? 5 minus y1. y1 is minus 1. Already minus is there. Minus into minus plus 1 whole square. Now CA is equals to under root of 1 plus 2 is 3 square plus 5 plus 1 6 square is equals to root 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, is root 45. So 45 can write 9 5s are 45. So root 9 is what? 3 and root 5. CA is equals to 3 root 5. CA is equals to what? 3 root 5. After we got these three distances, AB, BC and CA, see, now one formula is there. AB plus BC equals to CA or AC. If AB plus BC equal to CA, then we can say they are collinears. If these two are not equal, we can say they are not collinears. So now let me substitute these distances. What is AB distance? AB distance is root 5 plus BC distance is 4 root 2 is equals to CA distance is 3 root 5. See, it is root 5 plus and it is a 4 root 2. These two we can't add this because it is a irrational number and this is also irrational number. So we can't add this, that's what we can't get this 3 root 5. So these both are not equal. Hence, given the points are not collinear. Given the points are not collinear.
Go.
Here we have one more question from exercise 7.1, fourth question. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So here the question is, they are asking what the given the vertices are that are belongs to isosceles triangle or not. So what is isosceles triangle? If any two sides are equal in a triangle is called a isosceles triangle. Let us solve this question. Let assume the first vertices A is what? 5 comma minus 2 and second vertices B is what? 6 comma 4 and C is 7 comma minus 2. So first we find the distance between AB. Distance between AB, where A is equals to 5 comma minus 2 and B equals to 6 comma 4. Let the first point is x1, y1 and the second point is x2 and y2. So before we write the formula, once we check the x coordinates and y coordinates whether they are equal or not. See, here x1 is a 5, x2 is a 6. Then both are not equal. And check the y1 and y2 is also, it is -2 and that is a 4. So y coordinates also not equal. That's why we can use the formula AB is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now I am going to substitute this point, these two A and B points in that formula. AB is equals to under root of x2. What is x2? Is 6 minus x1. x1 is 5 whole square and plus y2. y2 is 4 minus y1. y1 is -2. Already minus is there. Minus into minus is plus 2 whole square. Now AB is equals to under root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2 is a 6 square. Now AB is equals to under root of 1 square is a 1 plus 6 square is 36. So AB is equals to root 37. Therefore, AB equals to root 37.
Go.
Now, I am going to find the distance between BC. Distance between BC. Right? B is what? 6 comma 4 and C is 7 comma minus 2. Let this is x1 y1 and this is what? x2 y2. Before we write the formula, distance formula, check the x1 x2 coordinates and y1 y2 coordinates. x1 is 6, x2 is 7, so these are not equal. y1 is 4, y2 is -2, these are also not equal. Then we can use the distance formula. BC is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. And next, substitute B, C vertices in this formula. Under root of x2. x2 is what? 7. And write the formula minus. And x1. x1 is 6 whole square plus y2. y2 is -2 minus y1. y1 is 4 whole square. So BC equals to under root of 7 minus 6 is 1 square plus -2 minus 4 is -6 whole square. So BC equals to under root of 1 square is a 1 plus -6 whole square is 36, because minus square is plus, 6 square is 36. So BC is equals to root 37. The distance between BC is what? This is also root 37. AB distance is root 37 and BC distance is also root 37. Yes. Now we need to find out one more distance. That is what? CA. See, right? Distance between CA. Write the C. What is this? Is what? 7 comma minus 2. 7 comma minus 2. And write A. A vertices is what? 5 comma minus 2. Let this is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Before we write the distance formula, check the x1 x2 and y1 y2. x1 is 7, x2 is a 5, then x1 x2 are not equal, and y1 is -2, y2 is also -2. These two are equal. y1 y2 are equal. So that's why we can use the formula now. CA is equals to mod x2 minus x1. If y coordinates are equal, then we can use CA. The distance between CA is what? Mod x2 minus x1. So CA is equals to mod x2. x2 is what? 5 minus x1. x1 is what? 7. So CA is equals to mod 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So CA is equals to mod minus 2 is 2. So the distance between CA is what? 2.
Go.
Yes. Now I am writing AB. AB distance is what? Root 37. And we got BC distance is also root 37. And the CA distance is what? 2. So from this 3, so we can conclude these two are equal. Therefore, AB is equals to BC. Hence, given the vertices are isosceles triangle, AB is equals to BC. The two sides are equal. That's why given the vertices are isosceles triangle.